Hello everyone. It's summer holiday here in the UK right now, and we're soon going away to Scotland for 11 days. And that inspired us to make today's video, which is to make a laundry powder for when you are traveling. So let's get started.
Dad, I gave you a plan for today.
$9.50. I think it's okay, yeah?
Yeah.
Now we need to add
What?
Now we need to add 2.5 tablespoons of sodium carbonate. This is your water softener as well as degreaser. Like this, put it in. Another 1.5 sodium carbonate. Or no, this is half. This is half. You can put it in and then add another 1 tablespoon. Alright? This is water softener. It is essential because you never know the place you're going to. Do they have hot water or do they have soft water? And then we are also going to add 2.5 tablespoons of sodium percarbonate. This will be your clothes whitener.
2 circles.
They're like granulate.
Why?
2. Let's blend it. The color is very beautiful.
Yeah, it's a light natural green.
It really looks like matcha powder to me. So that's our laundry powder.
Yeah.
If you're planning to hand wash, bring a pair of gloves with you because this laundry powder can dry your hands a lot. Because of the sodium salt. Also, don't use it to wash your wool and silk. You can air them and then wash them at home, or bring some soap knots with you if you really need to wash wool and silk on the go. Okay? And that's it for today. Thank you for your help, my little helper. And that's it for today's video. I wish you have a lovely holiday too. I'll see you next time. Bye.